Hey, hey, hey! You are invited to witness this magic duel between two wizards of words and marketing collateral, ChatGPT and the mysterious competitor. I'm going to show you the difference between ChatGPT and a wizard that's trained specifically on words of wisdom. I'm going to show you how both of these are going to help us sell an awesome product called the EcoThrive Smart Home Energy System, which is an AI-based hypothetical product, an AI-based system that helps you save money and keep the planet green. Who does it better? Let's find out. So first things first, let's tell our wizards what we're looking for. Let's start with ChatGPT 4.0, the current model, and I'm going to copy and paste whatever we know about our product. This is going to help us create a special message that makes people say yes, like, wow, I really want that. Because it's not just about telling people about the product, it's about making them say yes. Here is some information about a product I want you to write a landing page for. Just understand the information from now. I'm going to give you the steps to compose the landing page afterwards. And I'm going to directly paste in my content. EcoThrive is a smart home energy management system, reducing environmental impact, saving costs through advanced AI and real-time data. Okay? Let's make a catchy headline that grabs attention and summarizes what it's all about. Okay? Please write a headline for this product that summarizes, that captures the essence of the value proposition and captures attention. EcoThrive, smart energy management for a greener, more affordable home. Okay, now let's see how our other mysterious wizard is going to do it. I'm going to take exactly the same prompt and copy it right here into the copywriter agent. Save smartly, live sustainably. Revolutionize your home energy use with EcoThrive. It focuses on how EcoThrive saves you money and helps the earth. ChatGPT gives us a more general headline that's not action-based. What do you think? Which one catches your attention more? I want you to really think. Now let's add a little more magic. I'm going to add a subheadline to this page. Optimize your home's energy usage with AI-powered technology that reduces your carbon footprint, cuts electricity cost, and enhances comfort, all from the palm of your hand. Let's compare. Now please write a subheadline. See, it gives a little bit more background information behind why it does what it does. Harness the power of AI to seamlessly optimize your energy consumption, reduce bills, and empower your eco-friendly lifestyle. These two are a little bit more similar, but let's dive a little bit deeper. Please write a value proposition statement that explains why this EcoThrive is the best solution for the target audience and what sets it apart from the competitors. EcoThrive is the ultimate energy management system for eco-conscious homeowners and tech-savvy individuals who want to reduce their environmental impact and save on energy costs. Powered by advanced AI algorithms, real-time control, in-depth sustainability reports. Well, let's see how the other AI compares. Please write a value proposition statement for EcoThrive. EcoThrive is the intelligent pathway to a greener, more economical home. See, just want you to think about the difference between these two. By leveraging advanced AI technology, EcoThrive dynamically adapts to your household energy use to cut costs, minimize your carbon footprint, and integrate seamlessly with your smart home ecosystem. Experience unparalleled control and convenience personalized to your lifestyle. And join a growing community. With EcoThrive, you're not just investing in technology. You're investing in a better future for your home, your wallet, and your planet. Now just compare these. Which one makes you want to learn more? Now we're almost there. Every great message needs a call to action, like a treasure map that shows where your customer is going to go next. So let's do that. Now, lastly, please write a call to action that summarizes, that entices the user to take the desired action. And write what the button text should say. Free consultation, free energy consultation. Everyone uses that. Let's talk to the other AI and see what it can come up with. Now please write a call to action and show me what goes in the button text. And there's a reason why I'm a little less detailed with the other AI. Is thinking deeper. We're going to get to the exciting part in one moment. We're going to show you the underbellies of these different wizards and why they are saying the things they are. Ready to transform your home into a beacon of sustainability and savings? Yes, there are certain cliche words like beacon and revolutionize that I would change, but I want you to think about the overall sentence structure and how it differs. Join the EcoThrive community today and start the journey towards a more efficient, environmentally friendly lifestyle. Take the first step to unlock the potential of smarter living. Get started with EcoThrive. And lastly, now we have already the answer of what customers would get in exchange on the other side of the call to action. I want the AI to get creative now and present what would the offer be. Thank you so much. What would be the next logical step? What would the call to action lead to? A few different strategic pathways. Sign up a registration page, product demonstration or webinar, interactive quiz or assessment, informational brochure or detailed guide download, exclusive offer or trial. C, tangible products. All the calls to action, they're like green lights that are like, that you feel the energy. A green light saying, come on, let's do this. ChatGPT is a bit more generic. Which one would make you click? What kind of offer would entice you to take action? What would you get more out of? Last step. We need some proof behind the pudding. And I'm going to ask, to really round out the difference between the tools, I'm going to ask what it gets its information from. This time I'm going to voice type in natural language so I can copy paste that same prompt back into ChatGPT. Thank you so much. Now, could you please give me the reasoning behind all the above? Could you please explain the sources for why you make these recommendations, why you structure the sentences the way you do, and why you wrote what you wrote? The methodology behind it. I want to see your knowledge. Please tell me and show me proof. Principles and other established marketing frameworks to substantiate the choices made in crafting the content. See, it answers without skipping a beat. Principle applied. Clarity over persuasion. It takes it from the source. It tells me the source material it takes it from. Exclusivity and value. Again, same methodology that I use to write and create landing pages. Call to action. Article on landing page optimization. Book on landing page optimization. The proven conversion heuristic. See, it has all these sources. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this whole thing. I'd like to break down the reasoning and methodology behind each part of the landing page copy and explain why I structured the sentences the way I did. This headline is the first thing a visitor sees. According to studies on effective marketing communication, clarity and simplicity in a headline result in a 30% more higher likelihood of engagement. Source: Nielsen, Harvard Business Review, report by McKinsey. So what ChatGPT is giving me is a more generic understanding of marketing and creating headlines. There's a bunch of topics, but it doesn't really explore the methodology behind the language of every single one of the headlines the way the other AI does. You see, the other AI is trained on decades of wisdom, 10,000 marketing experiments, all focused on why people say yes, proven principles. I have personally been using this methodology to improve conversion rates and landing pages by up to 8 times the leads across small businesses and enterprise level corporations. All right, so that should explain the difference between ChatGPT and this other advanced AI. More advanced, detailed, nuanced, and proven results without you training it yourself, without advanced prompt engineering. All it involves is literally you talking to this entire SWAT team of AI experts. Now, if you would like access and you would like to understand how to use this whole thing, and especially if you have particular challenges you would like answers about or struggles with your own landing pages, that's why I'm excited to offer you a free 15-minute strategy session or consultation. Actually, let's use neither of those terms. Let's call it a results session, because you want tangible results, right? You're going to get a tangible deliverable, an analysis. Come to me with your offer design struggles. Come to me with your landing page design struggles, and I'm going to give you a complete analysis of how to put, what elements to put in your landing page and where exactly to put them, which I demonstrate in another video. Check out the link in the top right or in the description below. Now, beyond just a guide, you're going to get the chance to talk through your specific needs with someone who has the expertise. If you're ready to elevate your marketing and landing page design and offer creation from good to great, using the SWAT team of geniuses and getting personalized advice all along the way, click the link below to get the time with me. This is the future of marketing. In just a few minutes, you have a piece of proven content created using just your voice and natural conversation. Can't wait to see what you'll create. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side. And of course, if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, comment, give me feedback, let me know what you want. Thank you for watching and learning with me.